Only kids can hear this sound. Or at least that's what many people say. In a few seconds, I'm going to play a super high-pitched sound. Some people hear it instantly, while others hear absolutely nothing. So here's the challenge. Don't fake it. Be honest in the comments. But before we start, you have to unlock the sound by beating 3 quick levels. Only if you complete all 3 levels can you take the final hearing test. And only the fastest people can like and share this video before the challenge begins. 3, 2, 1. Level 1. Guess the word from these emojis. Level 2. Find the hidden. Correct shadow you have 10 seconds. Level 3. Don't breathe until the timer runs out. The sound is now unlocked. Listen very carefully and turn your volume all the way up. Did you hear it? Don't answer yet. Let's make this even harder. This time, I'm playing it again. Focus even more.
Subscribe.
Still nothing. Okay, this is your final chance. Listen as carefully as you can. 3, 2, 1.
Subscribe.
Did you hear the sound? Be honest. Comment yes if you heard it, or no if you didn't. And tell me how old you are.